What does healing without harm mean? Healing without harm is the natural way of healing. Right? It's something that I have become deeply attuned to with regenerative medicine, using our own body's innate ability to heal. Like, we've seen this. I'm a medical doctor, an MD, allopathic radiologist, about as black and white a physician as you can get. When you're looking at healing, we're taught that the body can heal, but not really. That's kind of the allopathic medicine. So we need some external medicine. We need a surgery. We need a cortisone injection. We need something else to allow extrinsically for our body to heal. What we've seen with regenerative medicine is we're taking folks' blood product, stem cells, other things, putting it into tissue, and it heals. And we're seeing that on imaging. And so there's a very natural process, and the way that heals, it becomes native. Right? We're not going back to a replaced state, a replaced joint, putting sutures or other things into structures, which has some harm in it. And there's always, when you take a medicine that's extrinsic, an Advil, right? It's tough on your kidneys. You take a steroid, it's tough on your bones. There's always a side effect or an issue when you take something as a medicine, right? As a pharmaceutical, as a drug, as a surgery. There's risk of infection, there's risk of bleeding, there's all those risks. When you have a natural modality of healing, like red light, like near infrared light, it's stimulating your body's innate processes. And so it's the ultimate safe way of healing and stimulating. It's awakening what's already there. And that's the beauty of regenerative medicine in general, and that's why it's so fascinating to me. And this is another tool in that arsenal. That red light, we're looking at all these different energetic medicines that are helping the body heal. And one of the safest, most effective, most powerful, and easily accessible is red and near infrared light. And that's what we're doing with Redvive.